The stock actually is outperforming in an otherwise weak market. Well, moving on, Jana Small Finance Bank is slipping in trade after reporting its Q2 numbers. Abhishek is here with more details.
Well, stress in the unsecured segment or the rural segment has actually continued to weigh on Jana Small Finance Bank's results. So over the last 2 quarters, that is after Q4 FY24 to about Q2 FY25, if you take a look in absolute value, gross NPA has increased more than 50% for them and net NPA has increased more than 90% for them. So gross NPA has increased to 755 crore from 494 crore at the end of Q4 FY25, while net NPA has increased to 247 crore versus 130 crore that it was there at the end of Q4 FY24. So in terms of Q4 FY24 to Q2 FY25, deposits have grown a little under 10%, while AUM growth has been just 6.7% in the same period. So in Q2 FY25, their AUM growth was about 17.3% YOY and about 2.7% sequentially. Their net interest margin declined by 30 basis points on a sequential basis, while gross NPA and absolute value increased by almost 17% quarter-on-quarter. In terms of ratio, gross NPA ratio is now close to 3% versus 2.6% in the previous quarter. And return ratios, if you take a look, that is ROA and ROE, are perhaps the weakest that you are seeing for a lender or small finance bank in Q2 FY25. So ROA is at 1.2% versus 2% in the previous quarter, and ROE is at 10.2% versus 17.6% in the previous quarter. So deterioration in asset quality and weakening of the return ratios has weighed on the stock performance in trade today.
Okay, that is about Jana SFB, a big cut that we are seeing on the stock. The other stock, which is